Hey, English phrase campers, welcome back. We hope you all had a very Merry Christmas and that you received all presents you wanted. Today's lesson is perfect for the holiday season. We're learning 150 essential English phrases for travel and festivals. Whether you're planning a vacation, celebrating Christmas, or joining any holiday festivities, these phrases will help you communicate like a native speaker. Now, these phrases will start from beginner and lead to more advanced phrases. Grab your notebook and let's make your holidays amazing. Also, make sure to subscribe and like the video if this helped you. Okay, let's begin today's lesson. Beginner level phrases. Basic travel questions and statements. Where's the airport? I need a taxi, please. How much is the ticket? What time is check-in? Where's my gate? I have a reservation. Can I have a map? Is breakfast included? Which way to the beach? Do you speak English? Simple holiday greetings. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. Happy holidays. Season's greetings. Have a great holiday. Happy Easter. Happy Halloween. Happy Thanksgiving. Enjoy the festival. Oh, best wishes. Basic shopping phrases. How much is this? Do you have a gift shop? I'd like this, please. Where can I buy souvenirs? Is this on sale? Can I pay by card? Do you gift wrap? I'm just looking, thanks. Can I try this on? Do you have this in blue? Intermediate level phrases. Travel arrangements. I'd like to confirm my flight reservation. Could you recommend a good hotel? What's the best way to get downtown? Is there a shuttle service available? And do you have any rooms with a view? What attractions are nearby? Could you call me a taxi? Is there a tourist information center? What time does the tour start? Can I store my luggage here? festival and celebration phrases. What are the local holiday traditions? When does the parade start? Where can I see the fireworks? Are there any special events today? What time does the festival begin? Is there an entrance fee? Can we take photos here? Where's the best spot to watch? Are children welcome at this event? What should I wear to the celebration? Restaurant and food. Can I make a holiday reservation? What's your Christmas menu? Are you open during the holidays? Do you serve traditional dishes? What's your specialty? Could you explain this dish? Is this a local delicacy? Can you recommend a wine? Do you have vegetarian options? Could I see the dessert menu? Advanced level phrases. Complex travel situations. I seem to have misplaced my boarding pass. Could you assist me with rescheduling my flight? I'd like to file a complaint about my accommodations. What's your policy on flight cancellations? Is there any possibility of an early check-in? Could you clarify the terms of the travel insurance? I'd appreciate some assistance with my itinerary. What contingency plans do you have for bad weather? Could you recommend off the beaten path attractions? I'm experiencing some issues with my reservation. Cultural and festival discussions. What's the historical significance of this festival? Could you tell me about local customs during this holiday? I'm interested in learning about traditional celebrations. What's the appropriate etiquette for this event? How do locals typically celebrate this occasion? Are there any customs I should be aware of? Could you explain the meaning behind this tradition? What makes this festival unique to this region? I'd love to participate in the local celebrations. How has this festival evolved over time? Emergency and special situations. I've lost my passport and need immediate assistance. Could you direct me to the nearest embassy? I need to make an urgent change to my travel plans. Is there a 24-hour pharmacy nearby? Could you recommend a reliable medical facility? I need to contact my travel insurance provider. Where can I report lost property? I'm having trouble with my international payment. Could you help me contact the local authorities? I need to arrange emergency transportation. Situational phrases. Gift giving and shopping. Do you offer international shipping? Could you suggest an appropriate gift for this occasion? Is this item traditional to the region? What's the return policy during the holiday season? Do you provide gift certificates? Could you help me choose something authentic? Are these handmade by local artisans? What's the significance of this design? Could you explain the craftsmanship? Is this piece unique to this festival? Accommodation requests. Could you arrange festive decorations for our room? What special amenities do you offer during the holidays? Is there a holiday package available? Do you provide transportation to festival venues? Could we get a room with a view of the celebrations? Are there any seasonal activities for guests? What holiday services do you offer? Could you recommend local holiday events? Do you have any rooms away from the festival noise? Is there a holiday surcharge? Social interactions. Would you like to join us for the celebrations? What's your favorite holiday tradition? How does your family celebrate this occasion? Could you teach me a traditional holiday greeting? What's the story behind this custom? Is it customary to bring a gift? Should I dress formally for this event? What time do festivities usually end? Is it appropriate to take photographs? Could you explain the meaning of this ceremony? Weather and seasonal activities. What's the typical weather during this season? Are there any indoor alternatives if it rains? What activities do you recommend for this weather? Should we book winter sports in advance? Is this activity weather dependent? What's the best time for outdoor celebrations? Are the facilities heated, air conditioned? What should we wear for the weather? Are there any weather warnings today? Is this activity suitable for all seasons? Transportation. Is there a holiday schedule for public transport? What's the best way to reach the festival grounds? Are there special event parking areas? Could you call a taxi that accepts cards? Is there a shuttle to the holiday market? What time is the last train bus? Are there road closures during the parade? How early should we arrive? Is there a park and ride service? What's the most scenic route to the venue? Digital and modern holiday situations. Is there a festival app I can download? Could you help me connect to the Wi-Fi? Where can I charge my phone? Are there virtual tour options available? Can I book tickets online? Is there a digital map of the festival? Do you accept mobile payments? Can I follow your social media for updates? Is there a hashtag for this event? Where can I find the event schedule online?